Hi everyone, for this tutorial I'll show you how to master the VIDU AI like a pro. This is a secret they don't tell you. So what is VIDU AI? VIDU AI is one of the fastest growing text to video, image to video AI platforms out there. It turns your image, text prompts or reference pictures into a cinematic, high quality in minutes. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and digital artists. And here are the secret features and the pro tips of the VIDU AI. First, you need to use an advanced text prompts for precise result. Most users type a simple prompts, but to get an ultra detailed cinematic video structure, your prompt like this. Because the more specific you are, the more accurate and impressive the video output. And also in the reference to video motion tweaks, when using a reference to video feature, don't settle to a default settings. Tap into a motion style, the background movement, the timing and adjustment that control the pace of animation for dramatic and smooth transition. And here you can combine the AI voiceover with dynamic text animation. Not only that you can do it or add a text, but also it can sync it with the AI generated voiceover for a more professional storytelling feel. You can also create a multiple videos in one go by queuing a several prompts or images. Most users miss this feature. It saves a ton of times whether you're working on a series based content or multiple social media reels. And once you download your video, you can run through an AI upscalers like Topaz AI Video Enhance to boost resolution and clarity. And here is the final pro workflow. Generate a video with VIDU AI's text to video tool. You can add reference or images for by the reference to video feature. You can use AI voiceover, export and run through an upscaler if needed, and share across social platforms or embed your website. VIDU AI is more than just a text to video tool. It is a full AI creative studio if you know how to use it. With these pro tips and hidden features, you'll be ahead of 90% of others users in no time. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.